Land disputes, domestic violence, and issues arising from money lenders are some of the major challenges affecting women, especially during this period. High Court Judge Henrietta Walayo encouraged traders in Nakawa market to use the courts of law to seek justice whenever disputes arise, particularly those involving money lending, land issues, and domestic violence.
When you don't have a lawyer, you can still go to court and get justice. And I'm sure the judges or the magistrates, they are very alive to the fact that somebody who is not represented needs guidance, so that that person gets justice. So if there are questions that that person is unable to has failed to ask, the judge or magistrate will ask those questions so that they get the true facts of the case.
Elizabeth Kemigisha, the communications officer at FIDA Uganda, explained the purpose of their program, which aims to educate traders about their legal rights. She highlighted the prevalence of these issues, with cases being reported daily. She also noted some of the achievements made by FIDA Uganda in their efforts to train and support traders.
So today we moved judges and magistrates from the International African Women Association, brought them here today to respond to a lineup of issues that many market women and men face. Some of the major issues we've highlighted today and that have come out very strongly, one is money lenders. Money lenders have continued to take advantage of people's ignorance. So today the judges were responding to what are the court processes, what can you do, how can you keep enough evidence if you're dealing with a money lender? Are you dealing with a money lender that is registered? Secondly is sexual violence. A lot of the women and men that work in the market leave their children at home with limited care, with the neighbor probably seeing over her children. So usually because of that sexual violence, we thought it important to come and highlight for them what are the processes. How do you get the police form and evidence that is necessary to ensure that your case is successful?
On the topic of deferment cases, FIDA's head of legal services, Susan Navate, discussed the various causes of delays in hearing such cases in court and offered guidance on how these delays can be addressed.
So nsenga yokukwata abaana lwaki ebiseera ebisinga eriwaawo nti yeetaaga obujulizi, how should I say, bungiko. Ate n'ekirala nti oba nga bakutta omuntu ebiseera ebisinga lwaki emisango gino gibulira wano mu gitera obbula nga tegiwedde, obujulizi bubulira awo nga tebunatuuka na mu kkooti ebiseera ebisinga. So omulamuzi agenda noonya obujulizi nga takola ki, nga tabulaba.
The training began with a focus on sensitizing traders about their legal rights, especially in relation to violence. Many traders asked questions about challenges they face with money lending practices and their difficulties in seeking justice in court, including issues such as corruption and the absence of judges.
Government eno n'abalese program ya government mufa abatasoma tumulopawa kweri ebbanja n'eddibuli tuba tukozeseddwa kubanga yo tejja bimanya naye government tugiroopawa.
Sikulimba bw'ogenda mu kkooti omulamuzi nti bampaabidde ogwaba Moneylender okumpa ssente, Mugaya Katonda ne Moneylender akuleetera ssente, omusango ogwo n'ogusalira bbeeni gwe baawola ssente. Ddala nammwe abalamuzi muyina kkooti ebawozaako kumanya ngammwe mutuyambye mutya kubanga ba Moneylender is the last solution ku mulimi oba ku muntu wa katale. Olw'ensonga essente ajja lwaleero n'asala amagoba amangi naye gazimpadde olwaleero lwengenzeeyo. Bwe muturifaringa mu banks tujja genda mu banka kitwale weeks 3 nga tonaba kufuna kasente konna k'okozesa mu bizinesi yo.
Judge Dafina Yebare responded to the concerns of the Nakawa traders by advising them to be cautious about the people from whom they borrow money. She explained that research shows many individuals have lost their property after failing to repay loans. She encouraged traders to explore government programs such as Parish Development Model (PDM), microfinance and bank loans which offer lower interest rates. She further urged traders to always go to court if they face disputes with money lenders on court procedures. Judge Ayebare advised traders to seek detailed records and evidence of any payments they make, as courts require solid evidence, not just verbal testimony.
Buli Moneylender yenna alina okubeera ne license emuweerebwa microfinance regulatory authority. Bw'olaba ng'oyo talina license talina kusaba interest.
abo olina kusasula 2.8 per month yekirizibwa mu mateeka naye oluusi babasaba 30% per month. Kati 30% gwoba otunda ki? Oba otunda njaga? Tosobola kusasula 30% interest ng'otunda nyaanya, butungulu. Musobola genda mu SACCOs. Mubere mugenda mu SACCOs. Waliwo ne microfinance support center. Waliwo ne bana baba MTN baweewole. Naye
Charity Marion Imnat reporting for UBC.